P-R-O-N-O-U-N. Okay, is it clearly visible?
Yes.
Yes, visible.
Here you can see P-R-O pro and N-O-U-N noun. Okay, pro and
Okay.
noun. So the pro, P-R-O pro, here pro means in
In
place,
place.
in place of. ठीक है,
In place of noun.
in place of noun. In place of मतलब noun के जगह में जो भी यूज हो रहा है वो आपका हो गया pronoun. It's very simple. It's quite simple.
Okay.
Now, Asra, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Like all the time we use he, she, it, they, and what are they? If you all have remembered, then please let me know. He, she,
Yes.
it, they.
I remember.
Yeah, please tell me. We, I, and you. Okay. So these all are pronouns.
Pronoun.
Now, one by one, can you tell me where we use which pronouns? Like Nas, can you please tell me about he, he? Where we use the pronoun he, he?
He was मतलब के लिए
Yeah, for boys. We use the pronoun he for boys. Try to say in this way. We use pronoun he for boys. We use he for boys.
we use he for boys.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Ishaq. Now tell me where we use she.
शी मतलब शी गर्ल के लिए यूज होता है, मतलब जो भी हो उनके लिए, फीमेल के लिए शी यूज होता है.
You can say we use she for girls.
She use for girl.
No, not she. We use she for girls.
We use she for girl.
Okay. it. Azra, could you tell me please about it?
We use it for anything.
For anything.
Example.
Hmm.
It was a door. It was a chair.
Yeah. It was a chair, it was a door. It means you can simply say, Azra, that for non-living things. Like door and
Oh
chair
yeah,
are
yeah.
non-living.
Non-living things. Yes.
Yeah. Non-living. Living and non-living, is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Like living, we have already studied in science, life science. Living, like humans are living, who can breathe. ठीक है? Living जो
Yeah.
सांस ले सकते हैं, जिंदा जो जिंदा होते हैं, सांस ले सकते हैं, चल फिर that is living. And non living हो गया जो सांस नहीं लेते, जिसमें जान नहीं होती है.
I'm
Very
here.
simple. जिसमें जान होती है वो living और जिसमें जान नहीं होती वो non living, है ना? It's quite simple. So it का use कहाँ करते हैं हम? Non
Hello,
living.
Ashia.
Non-living things.
Yes, who is? Shweta.
Shweta. Yeah.
So now, means from now you can join.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
Hello, Shweta.
बहुत जल्दी में आई. Hello everyone. Hello
Very
Asha.
nice. Your coming brings
Hello
happiness.
Azra.
Shopping हो गई?
हाँ बहुत
Are you done
जल्दी में
shopping?
आई. Yes.
I saw all the things on status.
Yes. Actually मैंने लगाया इसलिए था ताकि आपको लगे ना कि मैं बंक कर रही हूँ क्लास.
No. You are very studious student, and I don't think about you for these kind of things. From very first time, I'm getting you that you are very studious and very serious. I'm just confused about the very first day. That very first day that I was about to start. On that day, I got message from your side that I'm outside and I will join the class from after some time. I was confused about the very first day, but from that day, means after that day, I'm getting that you are serious and you are very punctual. Okay. So shall I continue now?
कहाँ तक पढ़ाई हुआ है? मतलब मैंने मिस कर दिया बहुत कुछ.
No. I can't say that you have missed it because overall revision is going on. Like in our previous class, we had already done letter, words, sentence, noun, pronoun. Okay, so this is basically in revision is going on. You have missed nothing. All right. Yeah. Okay. And I can say we are also doing some activity, and we are also having some additional information like where we use he, where we use she, and it. Okay. So we were talking about it. So it, we use it in non-living thing for non-living things. ठीक है, जैसे कि as an example दिया, it was chair and it was door. ठीक है, तो डोर एंड चेयर क्या है आपका? नॉन लिविंग थिंग है ना.
Yes.
दरवाजे, खिड़की, पेन, पेंसिल, बुक, इन सब
Yes,
को
ये पता है.
these are non-living
ये
things.
clear है.
And also you have to remember we also use it for animals. ठीक है,
Yes.
एनिमल्स की बातें जब करते हैं तो भी वहां पर भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Because वो he or she मतलब वो कोई आदमी औरत इस तरीके से हम उनको नहीं बता सकते.
Yes, definitely. All right. So these are two things. So he, we use he for boys, we use she for girls, and we use it for non-living things and animals. Any confusion so far?
No.
No.
No confusion.
Okay.
No confusion.
Shweta, could you please tell me where we use they?